Hey guys, Brad Berryman, Central Marine. Behind me is the brand new creation from Jupiter Boats, the 2022 Jupiter 38 painted in brown sugar metallic. Come check this thing out. All right, come aboard the brand new 2022 Jupiter 38 painted in brown sugar metallic. I want to show you a couple things. So as you get up here into the cockpit area, a couple things I want you to notice. First is the cockpit entry that you have here on the dive door on the port side. Now, one of the things that I love about this design that we ordered from Jupiter is this modular seating here in the transom. If we're fishing this thing hard and I want virtually no seatings or vinyl or cushions anywhere in this boat, I can take this out, leave it on the dock, put it in the garage, whatever I want to do. Now I have full access to the transom of the boat. But if we're going to be wine and dining this thing, I can put this cushion seat right back where it belongs, right there in the transom. We did a transom live well on this boat with an aquarium style window. I've got a couple awesome fish boxes here on the port and starboard side, fully insulated. Behind the backrest of the mezzanine, tackle storage. Nice and simple. Standard on all Jupiters is the Release Marine teak ladder back seats here. These are beautifully appointed for every Jupiter. They just finish the look of this boat. They look amazing. They do have individual bolsters, and each seat has their own armrest. Coming forward to the helm area here, there's a lot going on and a little at the same time. So what I want you to notice is when you look at this dash, there's virtually nothing here that shouldn't be here. It's very clean. When I stand on this helm area, I really do get the feeling that I'm standing on the bridge of a sport fish. All of my switching is done directly through the Garmin screens with a black box switching system. So it makes this whole dash just super clean and elegant. Moving forward, head access. And of course, you see the teak accents down there. Up here at the bow, one of the first things that you'll notice is that I have the ability to walk all the way up to the bow on this boat. They call this the hybrid forward seating, and I love this design. With other brands, I have to come up, put my knees on a cushion to be able to gain access to the windlass anchor, or if I needed to wrap a rod tip around the bow or anything like that, there's a cushion here in the way. But with Jupiter, again, this is designed to be a fishing boat for the family. However, there is a bow insert. If you do want this area filled, want that wraparound seating, you've got it. Underneath both of these seats is a fully insulated fish box or dry storage. And then you have wet storage, cast net storage down here as well. There is seating just in front of the console here. It has this nice contour to it, so it is super comfortable with their own back or with their own armrests here as well. And this doubles as insulated fish box and storage. In the gunnels, you'll notice storage throughout. So here I have storage for dock lines and brushes, things like that. And moving back, rod storage and more rod storage and more rod storage. So back here at the transom, there's a couple things I want to talk about. First, our Yamaha 300s on this boat are color matched to the boat in that brown sugar metallic paint job. I think this really ties the look of the boat together. It looks amazing. Second, I want you to notice how clean this transom is. You won't see this on many other boats, if any at all. Jupiter takes the time to completely finish their transom area. You don't see any seams, brackets, or metal here where the deck meets the hull of the boat. Guys, this boat truly is one of a kind. It is the only boat that has come out of Jupiter painted in this brown sugar metallic. If you're interested in this boat and you want to come see it in person, come by Central Marine today. Let's set you up with a sea trial. Thanks.